welcome to you all, our friends tuning in this morning, watching the live page, on our Facebook page, VTFM. We say Andra and Bulbinaka and we get the week in the Turana Ramadurubunelewa, to all the teachers tuning in this morning, to all the students who are tuning in from the bus, inside the minivan, or maybe the carrier, the LC, to all the LC drivers around the country. Wanda sini bikimni na nonton kono bodo takin ouch palangi show and Salika Kamburaki na VTFM. Ano binaka Dems, ano binaka Samu.
Ano binaka to everyone who's tuning in the school.
Iyo.
All the master.
Iyo.
All the madam.
Right.
And likewise to all the students who about to reach school in this wonderful morning.
Yeah.
And likewise to all the drivers, the minibus drivers, the bus drivers, the taxi drivers, who is taking them to their own destination.
Iyo.
In this wonderful morning.
Sama
Kilang Pulau Binaka.
Iya.
Ifrim Baldokondrokan Pulau Binaka.
Alright.
And likewise to John Kumar. Thank you very much for from Barabeli in this wonderful morning.
Sorry, Bentari and the passengers, especially to the ngoni turangan na mbeteli buni basten. Sunny boy, mbula binaka ba mbula tatunga KH853 to all the nasise bus, and also to all the buses company, to all the drivers joining this morning. Thank you to Bill, and not forgetting Tex.
Right.
Tex is from Wenimbuka. Joining to this morning. Bill, mbula binaka from Subanosori corridor this morning.
Okay, our program this morning is about, let's talk about the topic lala,
Right.
To understand somebody, Demes.
Yes.
Please tell us about the word understanding.
Understanding come from the word climate.
Climate change.
They are family.
Right,
because
right.
if you define climate, it take a period of time to know a climate in a certain place.
Right.
You can arrive today, you know the climate of that place.
No,
you can't. Take a period of time. If you stay there 2 months, you can know, or a year, to know, it's like this, the weather here. It's like that to understand somebody. You can't just go like this. Oh no, this one is very good. Oh, this one is very bad. No, it takes time to understand someone in a core of life.
What kind of climate?
It's like a climate.
Understanding and ouch palangi show.
If you want to understand someone, you need to know toe to hair. Mboto niya mamwera, getting ulu ne dolo.
Right.
You should know if you want to understand. Understand coming from 3 parts of our body. Spiritual, physical. Ngomo understand taka indua.
Right.
If you need to understand. If you see something is wrong, maybe she or he don't know that he's doing wrong. And you come arrive at a scene. Or you understand because he or she don't know what's happening.
Right. Okay. Right.
What about la kama tu nandalam kanino na bosa bimbi, dalam kanino na LOI sing nikila.
Ledeka. Okay.
Okay, so what about if you in that climate? It's been years. You in that climate.
Right.
And no understanding.
No understand that's pollution.
When is it? 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. 2 city. It's like that. It's a form. Understand?
It's a
If you separate out, it's cost 2 words. Understand.
Sandin.
Endure too.
Right. Stand under.
Understand.
Endure too.
Under means downwards. Stand mean upwards.
Right.
Understand.
Tutok. Doon mo talaga kung na love.
Before we go to love. We va mula manda be tabalen to iwane bet serala be dalati. Mula na kabalik. Love. Love is a need. It's not a want. Love is a need. Need you can't live without it.
Yeah.
See this.
Yeah.
Love coming from mom and dad.
Right.
Okay.
If love is there, children is there. You protect the children from the womb,
Yeah.
coming till now.
Right.
If the children need food,
Yeah.
mama give a breast
Yeah.
Yeah.
to feed them.
Ah.
That's love. If the mother give the food to the baby,
Yeah.
focus. Focus, focus, focus. If your mind is somewhere else, the food does not concentrate to the baby.
Yeah.
This truth.
Hey.
That's where everything, because it's a hormone, eh?
Hormone,
Kaya
yeah,
baka ikotando wararota kina during that period, and nalirarota lang kinongon eh.
So.
Because the milk is angry.
The milk is angry.
Yeah.
You see the milk?
The milk is hurt too.
Yeah, the head.
Yeah.
The milk is head. That's why
Yeah.
in the first ever milk that received by the children,
Yeah.
it's yellow.
Whoa.
And Romo,
Euro.
sinuro,
Yeah.
yang ona na yellow matua to find again disease.
Uy.
That's yellow.
Uy.
That's yellow.
Okay, the first milk.
The first milk.
Okay, okay.
Ako sa sintura raw na dapat na dahil.
Milky cool.
Milky cool ba lang? Iya.
Milky cool.
Na, tingnan mo yung mekanasi.
Carbohydrates.
Iyo.
No, someone will comment. Someone will comment.
Yeah.
For money.
Na,
Hey.
ako sa muli dapat na dahil.
Kilachi
Yeah, the first
ko.
milk.
The first milk that given
Yeah.
Given to the baby.
to the baby, that's to fight against disease.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the healthy milk.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the healthy milk.
Nutritious one, eh?
Maybe
Yeah.
Jay the Timbu knows that milk.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Because if you feed the children, you focus.
Right.
If daddy or if mama is happy,
Yeah.
the baby too will be happy.
Right. Dinner.
So let's call love.
Yeah, that's called love. That's where love is coming.
While the baby is drinking milk, the baby will take it like this, eh?
Yeah.
Many maru to be.
Right.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
the children is inside the stomach,
Go, that go.
eh,
Right.
if inside the stomach,
Right.
if mama is happy,
Gory.
the baby too will be happy. Some of us, we think when they outside, then we feed them. No.
Yeah.
If you hating mama during pregnancy,
Yeah.
baby too will be hating.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you make mama happy
Yeah.
during pregnancy,
Yeah.
baby too will be happy.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
love is a need
Yeah.
to everybody.
Oh, ano na.
Sometimes
Yeah.
you lose your leg. Baka yung momo siya wala
Kneecap.
na ngom.
Yeah.
Your kneecap. Mama ask you, daddy, please massage.
Yeah.
Masike.
Yeah.
Tombale.
Right.
Ukiya wike.
Uh-huh.
That's why you see mama. If you did not, you need not
Baby
there.
mama in America.
Baby mama in America.
Kaya baka yung sinitukina that time.
Yeah.
Mama hating.
Yeah.
The baby too hating.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Don't taruh. Maybe mama is happy. Eh?
Yeah.
The baby mama is happy.
Colostrum milk.
What would be the reason for baby mama to lose control?
Colostrum. See? See?
The cholesterol.
Yeah.
Colostrum milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If mama is happy, dad is happy, the child is happy.
All right.
So the family is happy.
There.
Okay. What would be the time, even when mama is happy, would mama be like lose control of the happiness?
If mama lose control of the happiness,
Yeah.
mama will back to the hospital soon. That's why when we went to play, daddy was a donkey. Made me cry. Daddy pong. Come. Any question?
So, Demesi, one question. Yes, one question. When you...
Happy birthday,
I
birthday.
know.
Did you receive your milk?
No milk. Okay, see, when with your workmates,
Yeah.
because of love, eh?
Yeah.
Come.
Of love. When you work with the workmates
Yeah.
or with family,
Right.
and your wife call you,
Yeah.
come now. So
Come
that's
now.
love, or if you go,
Yeah.
so that's just love or scared.
No, that's
Depend.
Yeah. Order.
Order?
Yeah. They depend on the circumstances.
Okay.
Okay.
Depend on the circumstance
Yeah,
happening there. Something if She stays there if she feels something very frightening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya baka sa tapo kwento yung bekala
Yeah.
wadada yan, does not feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Then you need to go.
Maybe Rakesh outside.
If Rakesh outside, you take a line. you know? You have to go, Depend on what kind of situation being facing from home.
Don't know
What if home is under control?
And whose control? If home is under control, and whose control?
Mama control.
Mama control. Who there is to control? Mama there control, and whose control? If Mama there is controlled by somebody, then you need to control. Apa lu aku Samuel lah? Orang lagi nelapi sele. Come. Question.
Okay, ocho sintar, but then we tell you what na kona understanding what can allow it. No kami biya, no nakasama chito. Okay. No mo experience nga ba Kiko? Do you know someone or somebody? O kaya nga bimbi may na breastfeeding ni sa klase 8 si form 3? Do you ever
One of my classmates.
Goro tango.
One of my classmates.
Yeah. Because the connection between the mama and the
mama
child
and the papa and the
is
sing a song.
Still connection.
Mama and the papa gonna sing a song. 5 little children play on the ground. Kanang kita. Abalo na bunua LT 2746 sama ganda kasi.
Mesake bibi may panalumanimbay ni Lola Maya. Sa ambakibita.
He receiving 13 age.
Oi!
Ambak sing katolo. Sangkay
Sa
bibi.
school.
Iyo. Salan dia pemain na bata-bata. It's a class 8. Class 8 and they said it's healthy to leave the breastfeeding delay.
Oi!
Iya, mau bayar?
Iyo.
Itu kuner nangon elo matu nangon tahu mera sut tunga bitinan rame atau bana ngona saler lain kasikin. Me kuning kasara. Me atau bana kunda kuni fosta kir nangon ni menta kalira koso.
Oh, okay.
Iya.
Okay.
Nangon elo matu.
Never mind the teeth is there.
Iko me babu kutaki.
Okay, binak kami no kada non tayo tukutukoy na matang ko never mind. Okay, I wonder why sometimes the baby complain because it's smoky or suki. Okay. Bigla kami no kada bito kami mayan non the outs palang isyo na matang ko. A big binak boleh to
Dokter.
Who?
Dokter.
Sige. Binak Patel and Punjas.
Alright.
Kira-kira na ini ka kuning kana suki pakaliw.
Iya. Love your mama, love your papa, love everybody. Let's love each other. Love the dog, love the animal. They have the heart too.
Love yourself.
Love yourself. You have your heart too.
Take it to the back. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the
Sige tuloy yo.
Iya, sa From vida.
Dongo tukuno bileseni sa fumu bitong kan bisud.
Wow.
Ngo bileseni medo menongo ko simperangan ikan. Iya, malo.
Isa,
basta lang atil na still drink milk. Jera tibio enggak isong udio bas. Nam ko parte ki menor kana video.
Okay.
Ali patewang ka ampulo binaka kini. Isa jera timbiu.
Enda na rongo tu di bakal salas taki tu
Iya.
Ando na kandina.
Iya.
Anda nanumira na donda mata bubale. Kaya anda bangko erbeta umbale pamatakalilay ba kawi. Talomanir. Serewaya na yoko.
Iya.
Labis balain.
Iya.
Simbiuta. 60 kilangi ubulo binak.
Someone said,
Yeah.
someone said, go up. He said, what? How? He said something. Father, intercept baby's milk.
Father, be mindful of your interception.
And when Gabriel said, what did he do? Father, intercept baby's milk. And the reply from Dimbeli, Dimbeli, something Dimbeli, manas Dimbeli, kilana ko kolobengu. Litia, alipatewanga.
Kaya bitalo tungan kani so nanguna so na ipabuli tuki na
Gori.
Nonto pa lang iso na matali ko. Bikim nindo kada maru tak chumber me munisu der matagadai. Kina bang tak chule katalaw. Ato sa ba ni malaga chika ni maru tak itu na bika sa maru taki. Era kena nama kita tala singin ngara vitabi kena madawa.
Iya.
E warga kena tu yang singa mo di tibidang di kuah.
Isa.
Sarmai dari ke.
Iya. Hataka like taka siataka nontalay matani ko antawa ni na wandu ro tolu. Vinod Patel wat ke punjes.
Iya.
Na